Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate it. Today, I finally have April's Boxycharm, the base box, just the regular old $27.99 Boxycharm. And let's take a look and see what we have in here. I'm excited to see what I've ended up with. I like that there's always some mystery to Boxycharm. Ipsy tells you everything you're gonna get, and that takes some of the fun out of it. But I like a mystery, and I like seeing what I'm gonna get. So here we go. And oh, it's written small. Let's see if we can't get this. And it says Boxy Spring Revival. Awesome. Super duper. You guys like my new hair? Fresh hair for the springtime. Yeah. Fresh hair for the springtime. Yeah. All right. The first thing we have in here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and I've had the other, like the regular foundation that they have, and this is the luminous foundation, and I kind of like things with like a luminous glow. And it says it's a water resistant liquid formula that creates a luminous natural finish. The radiant formula delivers long wearing medium coverage, yet feels so lightweight and looks ultra fresh. Luminous foundation blurs any imperfections without caking or masking the skin's natural radiance. It looks so great on its own, there's no need to set with a powder. $38, and as always, I add up everything on my calculator. And $38 is not bad for a nicer foundation. Let's see if this color is any kind of a good match for me. It looks like it's going to be a good match. Trying not to get a big bunch out. All right. That looks good. That looks like a good match. I'm excited to try it. I'll just put it back in its box for now. So that's great. That was something that I did choose. Next up, we have from Studio Makeup a hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum. I'm really sick of getting skincare, and I have so much hyaluronic acid I could rejuvenate an elephant. Let's see what it says here. The perfect serum for all ages, the highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works quickly to reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. $45. All right. That's a generous size. That's 1 fluid ounce. That's a lot of serum. So that's pretty cool, even though I don't really need it. And then from Item Beauty by Addison Rae, the Lash Neck Lengthening Mascara. And this is $15. And you pull the tab down to open it, which is kind of cool. And it's a beautiful package. It's gorgeous. But I'm not going to open the mascara completely. I don't want to start the clock on it. And I've heard good things about this mascara. I have heard that it's pretty good. It says this flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters, and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil, so your lashes can live large. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the formula naturally enhance every single lash for 3 times the volume. I'm going to look forward to trying this out. And then we have from Sela Glacier Clay Cleanser. And that's by Celine Tadrosi. This gentle glacial cleansing cream helps remove the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to reveal a fresh, glowing appearance, enriched with natural botanical extracts and minerals from the glacial ocean clay to leave skin soft, fresh, and radiant. $45. And then last but not least, we have Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow. And I do love a liquid eyeshadow, and this is in rose quartz. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. That's super cute. I do love a liquid eyeshadow for a quick look. So that is this gorgeous metallic pink eyeshadow. Creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It is lightweight, long-lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this soothing cucumber-rich shadow makes it perfect for all-day wear. And it's $22. So let's add everything up. $165 value, which is great for this box. Let's see if I can't wipe that eyeshadow off. Oh, it's going to be staying with me for a second. So once again, we've got a mascara, we've got a liquid eyeshadow, we've got a serum, we've got a cleanser, and we've got a foundation. And we did get 3 makeup items, so that is great in my book. 3 out of the 5 is makeup, which I'm happy to have because I'm really sick of getting skincare. I've got a lot of skincare, and I know not everybody that gets Boxycharm has the same amount of stuff as I have, or has been getting Boxycharm as long as I have. But I'm happy with the box this month. But, you know, more makeup. Keep the makeup coming, Boxycharm, if you listen to old Rhonda said. That's my 2 cents. But otherwise, good box. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.